Could the Xiaomi 16 Ultra be the ultimate flagship killer of 2026? It's shaping up to be one of the most compelling devices yet, especially in the camera department. Rumors suggest a Leica-tuned triple camera system by a 200 megapixels periscope telephoto with continuous optical zoom, so you can smoothly transition between focal lengths without losing clarity. With that, you also get a massive 1-inch 50 megapixels main sensor plus a 50 megapixels ultra-wide from Sony. This setup aims to deliver unparalleled flexibility and image quality. On the front, expect a flat 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with 2K plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and better eye protection. This may be a shift from curved designs while keeping the premium feel. Powering all that is the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, the flagship chip for 2026. Battery looks impressive too, around 7000 to 7500 mAh of silicon carbon cell with 100W fast charging. That's a serious leap over current flagships. All told, the Xiaomi 16 Ultra is rumored to combine ambitious camera tech, top-tier performance, and massive battery, and will arrive before the end of 2025 or in early 2026. Is it the ultimate flagship killer? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.